Welcome to Module 2, What is Artificial Intelligence? In this chapter, we'll demystify what artificial intelligence, AI, truly is. At its core, AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It's about teaching computers to perform tasks that would normally require human thought, such as understanding and generating language, recognizing images and patterns, solving problems and making decisions. The key thing to remember is that modern AI is much more than robots or science fiction. It's about using data and algorithms to help machines learn and make smart choices. That's why the AI-900 exam focuses on understanding these concepts, not on programming. Types of AI. AI can be thought of in three categories. Narrow AI, also called weak AI. This is the AI we see today. It's designed for specific tasks like product recommendations, chatbots, or fraud detection. General AI, sometimes called strong AI. This is the idea of a machine that can perform any intellectual task a human can. We're not there yet. It's still a concept. And then there's superintelligent AI, which would surpass human intelligence. That's a topic for the future, not today. For AI-900, your focus is on narrow AI and how it applies in the real world. The AI technologies that make this all possible are the building blocks of modern systems. They include machine learning, or ML. This is when systems learn from data and make predictions. For example, a retailer can predict next month's sales by looking at past sales patterns. Deep learning, or DL. This is a special type of ML that uses neural networks with many layers. It's great for recognizing images and speech. A good example is your phone unlocking when it recognizes your face. Natural language processing, or NLP. This is all about understanding and generating human language. Think about how your email can automatically sort spam into a separate folder. That's NLP. Computer vision, or CV. This enables machines to analyze and understand images and video. Imagine a security camera that recognizes when someone enters a room. That's computer vision. So where do we see AI making an impact? In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect patterns in scans and identify disease earlier. In retail, it predicts customer preferences and provides personalized recommendations. In finance, it spots fraud in real time. And in education, it supports adaptive learning, where systems adjust lessons to suit each student's needs. And we've just scratched the surface. In summary, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines that learn from data. We explored narrow AI, the technology we use today, along with its building blocks, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and computer vision. These technologies are transforming industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and education. With our introduction to AI complete, we're now ready to explore the vital principles of responsible AI.